How to send money with Lulu Money. In this video, I'll walk you through how to send money with Lulu Money. Check the exchange rates here or to log in now and start sending money. Click Send to Bank Account. Select your recipient's country. Now on this page, search and choose a recipient or create a new one by clicking New Recipient here. Enter the amount you'd like to send here and you will see the equivalent value that your recipient will receive here. You can see the conversion rate here as well. If all looks good, click Send Now. Select how you'd like to send money to bank account of your recipient. I'll click Online Bank Transfer. Select your bank here, then type if you are using savings account or something else. And then type your bank account details in this field right here. You can set this as your preferred bank by clicking here, but this is optional. I'll just click on Proceed to move to the next slide. Okay, so now you have completed the setup of your payment method and delivery method. Payment method is what you'll use to fund your account, and delivery method is how your recipient will receive the money that you'll be sending. Review if your send is correct. And if you are satisfied, scroll down for a bit here. And now you'll see the breakdown and the total amount that you will pay for this money transfer. Select your purpose here. Select where this money is coming from. Is it from your salary or savings? So just choose one. Tick this box if you agree to Lulu Money's terms and privacy policy. Click these links if you want to read them before you agree. When everything has been filled out, click the Pay button to proceed to the next page. Enter your Lulu Money PIN and click Continue to prove that it's really you. Now in this page, complete the second security layer by verifying your phone number. Just enter your OTP here. You can now proceed with the payment. Review the amount for the last time. And if the details here are correct, click Confirm Payment. Your bank may need to ask to enter your bank's OTP before you are charged with the money transfer, which is a good thing. Enter your OTP for your bank account here and click Continue. And after completing the security confirmations, your money is now on its way to your recipient. And that is how you send money using Lulu Money. Like if you like, comments and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.